Are you ready to upgrade your home entertainment setup? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best Android 14 Smart TV boxes that will transform your TV into a powerhouse of streaming, gaming, and more. Stick around as we break down their features, pros, and cons to help you pick the best one. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Clibabiq TV98 Pro Android 14 Smart TV box. The Clibabiq TV98 Pro Android 14 Smart TV box is a feature-packed device designed to enhance your home entertainment experience. With advanced features like a wireless keyboard with a touchpad and enhanced cooling mechanisms, it offers convenience and reliability. Here's a comprehensive look at its features along with its pros and cons. Pros: advanced keyboard design. The 92-key wireless keyboard with touchpad and adjustable backlighting adds convenience and versatility to control. Effective heat management. The height increase foot pad and USB fans ensure efficient cooling, preventing overheating and improving device performance. Wide device compatibility. Compatible with various devices, including PCs, Android TV boxes, and IPTV, making it a multifunctional tool for home or office. Ergonomic and portable. The lightweight, ergonomic design makes the keyboard easy to carry and use whether at home or on the go. Quiet cooling fans. The USB fans operate silently and efficiently, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience without distractions. Energy efficiency. Automatic sleep and wake-up modes optimize power consumption, extending the lifespan of the device. User-friendly setup. The simple USB connection and compact design make installation hassle-free, even in tight spaces. Cons: limited fan performance for high heat devices. While the cooling system is effective for most scenarios, it may not be sufficient for devices that generate significant heat over prolonged periods. The Clibabiq TV98 Pro Android 14 Smart TV box is an excellent choice for users looking for a versatile and feature-rich device. Its advanced keyboard design and effective cooling system make it a reliable option for improving home entertainment setups. While it has some limitations such as potential cooling performance issues for high-heat devices, its overall functionality, compatibility, and ease of use outweigh the drawbacks. If you're seeking a convenient, all-in-one solution to elevate your entertainment experience while keeping devices cool and operational, the Clibabiq TV98 Pro is worth considering. Number 4 is the Kebidumei Android 14 Smart TV box. The Kebidumei Android 14 Smart TV box is a sleek and efficient device designed to elevate your home entertainment experience. With its emphasis on high performance, gaming-friendly features, and ease of use, this TV box is a compelling choice for users seeking to transform their regular TV into a smart hub. Here's a closer look at its features, advantages, and drawbacks. Pros: stable and high-performance operation ensures smooth functionality, minimizing lag for both casual viewing and intensive gaming sessions. Advanced graphics support. Equipped with Vulkan 1.1 and OpenGL ES 3.2 support, it delivers improved graphics rendering, ideal for gamers who demand cooler visuals and immersive experiences. Simple and fast connection features a user-friendly setup process, making it easy for users to start streaming or gaming quickly. 3D viewing capabilities offers support for 3D content, providing a more immersive entertainment experience. Cons: limited advanced features. While it supports essential functions, it may lack some premium features like Dolby Atmos audio or advanced AI integration found in higher-end models. The Kebidumei Android 14 Smart TV box is an excellent choice for users looking for a simple, reliable, and visually immersive upgrade to their home entertainment system. With robust graphics capabilities and support for 3D content, it stands out as a device tailored for gamers and movie enthusiasts alike. Coming in at number 3 is the Blkj T95 Android 14 Smart TV box. The Blkj T95 Android 14 Smart TV box combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to elevate your home entertainment experience. Boasting a powerful processor, voice control capabilities, and ergonomic design, this smart TV box is a convenient and versatile addition to your setup. Here's an in-depth review of its features, along with the pros and cons. Pros: exceptional video quality. The support for HDR and 6000 HD video ensures stunning visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details. Efficient performance. The 64-bit quad-core A53 CPU provides smooth operation, handling multitasking and high-definition content effortlessly. Wireless convenience. The 4G wireless connection with a 10-meter range offers freedom and flexibility, eliminating the need for direct line-of-sight operation. Voice control capability. Voice search simplifies navigation, making it easier to find your favorite content without scrolling through menus. Ergonomic and comfortable design. The Air Mouse's ergonomic shape and lightweight build enhance usability, ensuring a comfortable grip during extended use. User-friendly navigation. The 17-key Air Mouse offers straightforward control, making it easy for users of all ages to navigate and operate. Cons. Limited app optimization. Some apps may not fully utilize the 6000 video decoding capability, limiting the potential of the hardware in certain scenarios. The Blkj T95 Android 14 Smart TV box is an excellent choice for users seeking high-quality visuals and a seamless user experience. With features like HDR support, voice control, and ergonomic design, it caters to modern entertainment needs effectively. While it may lack some advanced features, its powerful performance, ease of use, and wireless convenience make it a compelling option. Whether you're streaming 6000 HD content or enjoying hands-free control with voice commands, the Blkj T95 delivers a solid entertainment experience. For those looking for a reliable and user-friendly smart TV box, this device is worth considering. Number 2 is the Kanavi R69 Plus Android 14 Smart TV box. The Kanavi R69 Plus Android 14 Smart TV box is a feature-packed device that brings advanced performance, excellent graphics, and versatile connectivity to your home entertainment system. With its powerful hardware and user-friendly features, it's designed to deliver a superior streaming and gaming experience. Let's explore its features, pros, and cons to see if it's the right fit for you. Pros. Powerful hardware. The octa-core processor and Mali G57 GPU ensure seamless streaming, gaming, and multitasking. Stunning 8000 visuals, 8000 HDR output with H.265. Decoding provides ultra-high-definition viewing experience with rich details and vibrant colors. Fast connectivity. Wi-Fi 6 support ensures stable and fast internet speeds, while Bluetooth 5.0 enhances compatibility with wireless devices. Versatile ports. HDMI 2.0 billion and USB 3.0 interfaces allow for flexible connectivity with modern TVs and external peripherals. Generous storage. The combination of 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM supports smooth operations and ample space for apps and files. Cons. Lack of Dolby Vision. While HDR is supported, the absence of Dolby Vision might deter audiophiles and movie enthusiasts seeking a premium cinematic experience. The Kanavi R69 Plus Android 14 Smart TV box is an excellent choice for users seeking top-tier performance and advanced features. Its powerful processor, stunning 8000 visuals, and fast connectivity options make it a standout device in the smart TV box market. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Vodool M9S Android 14 Smart TV box. The Vodool M9S Android 14 Smart TV box blends advanced video and audio technology with the latest Android 14 operating software with your home edge setup. With features like AI-enhanced resolution, immense motion technology, and Wi-Fi 6 compatibility, it promises a seamless and immersive experience. Let's analyze its features, highlighting the pros and cons. Pros. Superior video quality. AI-enhanced 4000 output ensures a visually immersive experience with crisp and vibrant visuals. Improved motion clarity. Immense technology significantly reduces motion blur, making it ideal for action-packed movies and sports. Efficient bandwidth usage. The AV1 codec reduces data usage while maintaining high-quality streaming, benefiting users with limited bandwidth. Advanced connectivity. Wi-Fi 6 compatibility delivers faster and more stable internet connections, even in congested networks. Premium audio experience. High-fidelity lossless audio enhances sound quality, catering to audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. Versatile port options. Multiple ports allow easy integration with gaming consoles, sound systems, and other peripherals. User-friendly design. The Android 14 interface is intuitive and secure, with access to the latest apps and updates. Bluetooth-compatible remote control ensures hassle-free operation. Cons. No internal storage upgrade option. The absence of expandable internal storage might limit app installations and offline media storage. The Vodool M9S Android 14 Smart TV box stands out as a feature-packed device designed for those who prioritize high-quality visuals, efficient streaming, and seamless connectivity. Its AI-enhanced 4000 output, motion enhancement, and AV1 codec deliver a stellar viewing experience.